Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download logo with transparent background on Canva. So there are two ways to do it. Firstly, if you have Canva Pro, then just go to share at top right, then select download and make sure to select file type as PNG and then check mark transparent background, but make sure that this feature requires Canva Pro. If you have Canva Pro, then just check mark this option and download the PNG and it will be downloaded without any background. But if you are using Canva free, then for that again go to share at top right, then select download and choose file type as PNG, and instead of transparent background we just have to download the file in our computer. Now the logo will be downloaded with this background and it's time for removing the background with any other tool. For that, just open any of the browser and search here background remover or remove background, then just select Adobe website like this. After that we need to choose upload your photo, select the image which background you want to remove. So this is the image, I'll select it and then the image will be uploaded on your Adobe website. Now as you can see, the background has been removed from my image. I just have to wait for a bit. There you go. Now to download this image we need to select download and choose the file type and also choose the size and select download, and the image will be downloaded without any of the background. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.